Exhibit 1 of the fact that Hongqi always brings the coolest cars, check out the new Hongqi L1. It's 5.3 meters in length with a wheelbase of 3.26 meters. Both of those are longer than a long wheelbase Mercedes S-Class. Welcome to Wheelsboy, where we cover the newest, coolest, and wildest vehicles from the Chinese car market. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Hongqi is known for their very flamboyant exterior design, and obviously the L1 is no different. Check out the size of this grille and the way that it juts forward from the headlights, a little bit of a Bentley Mulsanne look. Hongqi is known for creating cars that look a little bit like cars from certain parts of the UK. This one does have its own distinct design elements, however. Check out this pattern over here on the lower fascia. This is reminiscent of the petals of a sunflower. Now the Hongqi L1 and the L5 and the LS7 and all those other ones are part of the Sunflower series from Hongqi. That's their highest end vehicles. You can get your Hongqi L1 with your choice of two different power plants, either a 3-liter turbocharged V6 making 290 kilowatts or about 375 horsepower, or a turbocharged V8 that's 4 liters making 360 kilowatts or about 475 horsepower. Note that I said hybrid, not plug-in hybrid. These are mild hybrids that don't have any kind of pure electric range, though we do know they're going to have an NCM battery, which should be quite small. Let's close the electrically operated doors and have a look at the first row of the Hongqi L1. First of all, this is an incredible steering wheel. Look at this chrome piece down here, like a classic car from the 50s. That's real metal for sure. Here on the center console, you've got this beautiful wood trim, kind of a very old school look to the entirety of the interior. Center screen here, pretty modest by luxury car standards, or really pretty modest by Chinese car standards. The thing is though, the more luxurious the car gets, I find the smaller the screens get and the more physical buttons that you see. The physical buttons in here, this beautiful row of buttons underneath the screen, as well as ones here to either side of your wireless charging pad. On the doors, more of that beautiful wood trim, and the seats obviously highly adjustable with heating, cooling, and massage. Now we come to the truly luxurious part of this vehicle, the second row. As you can see, legroom is absolutely incredible, even with the seat pushed as far back as it is. Materials in here, amazing. This wood here, which looks to be real wood that's been lacquered. You've also got real metal trim pieces and an incredible design over here on the door that looks like traditional paintings of Chinese mountains. Also, look at the way that light is embedded inside of it. All of it feels very solid, very nice to touch. The seats, of course, heated, cooled, and massaging, and they have adjustability for rake as well as forward and backwards. Check this out. What does that look like? Zero gravity mode. Oh, that's comfortable. We're about to go check out the L5, but before I do that, I want to show you one detail that I noticed about the L1. These are electrically operated doors. We've seen them before on Chinese cars, but watch how easy it is to close. If I just take my hand and rest it right there, boom. I'm trying hard to hide my excitement here, but I'm finally, after over a year of waiting, going to be able to check out the Hongqi L5. The L series is Hongqi's highest level series, and the L5 is their highest level car at this point. This vehicle is incredibly hard even to have the chance to buy. You can't just walk into a Hongqi dealership and put down the $1 million+ in order to get one of the things. You have to be selected. Under the hood is a 4-liter turbocharged V8 making about, 285 kilowatts, around 375 horsepower. This thing measures 5.98 meters in length. It is absolutely gargantuan. So as you can imagine, it's probably not the fastest vehicle on the road with just that amount of power under the hood. The rear end is a very retro styling with these very cool chrome inserts all along the back end. But let's see what the trunk of a Hongqi L5 looks like. It looks pretty darn big. What's under here? Wow, full-size spare. Again, you'd expect that. It's $1 million. Remember when I told you in the L1, the more luxurious the car gets, the less focused on screens it becomes? Check this out. All of these physical buttons for your air conditioning, your seats, your media, it's all physical buttons, and they have some pretty awesome touches of Chinese culture here on the trim level, which you can also find over here on the door. The trim, not the trim level, sorry. Over here on the door. It's kind of an awesome touch. The color combination, hey, listen, if you were the Joker, this would be the L5 that you would drive, obviously. This is my favorite part, though. This incredible green trim, it just looks almost like jade. It's really, really phenomenal, and it feels pretty nice to the touch, as does everything. But again, for $1 million car, you would expect that to be the case. I'm in the back seat of the L5, everybody, and boy, is it exactly what I was hoping it would be. Look how much legroom I have. I feel like I could play a game of football back here. Headroom, too. Absolutely amazing, as you'd expect for a car that's this magnificently huge. Center console. Remember when I said, again, to reiterate, less screens, more buttons. Check out all these physical buttons for your air conditioning, as well as your heated and cooled seats here for the second row. Oh my gosh. One interesting thing that I'm noticing, however, it seems like this car doesn't, oh, I was wrong. It does have massaging rear seats as well. Material quality, really quite amazing. And I just can't talk enough about this really cool green color here that's all over the interior. Maybe this isn't your particular taste when it comes to color combinations, but it's eye-catching, isn't it? Like any super high-end luxury vehicle, the L5 comes with an incredible level of customization. You saw the interior of that car over there, but check out this one. This can be optioned on your L5. This amazing multicolor hood and roof. Does it match with the styling? No. Does that keep me from loving it? Also no. As a final treat, we are now going to check out the Sunflower concept from Hongqi. This incredible 6-meter, 2-door coupe represents the highest level of what Hongqi can do. Their most luxurious, their most expensive, their most elite package. Not just anyone can go out and purchase a car from Hongqi's Sunflower series, even if they have the money to do so. Applicants are screened by Hongqi, and since the Golden Sunflower concept is said to represent the best of the best when it comes to Hongqi, one can only imagine how hard it would be to get your hands on one if it ever went into production. The Golden Sunflower concept oozes drama from every angle. The designers behind the car told us that the huge scissor doors are supposed to look like the wings of a bird unfolding, a motif that carries over to the interiors of other Hongqi models. The massive and complex design of the wheels, just like the front fascia of the L1, are inspired by the petals of a sunflower. According to Haman Izzati, design manager for Hongqi, the philosophy behind the interior of the Golden Sunflower is heaven and earth. Earth is represented by the front row, with the flowing dash resembling the orbit of the planet itself. The steering wheel collapses into that dashboard, not only to hint at a driverless future, but to allow more space when the front seat is turned around to face the rear. After all, Izzati told us, the Golden Sunflower concept is made for the elite of the elite, and they have some important meetings. Heaven is embodied by the second row, where the seats can go into a zero-gravity mode by sinking into the rear bulkhead. This ensures the passenger has maximum comfort when viewing whatever content is projected on the overhead glass. If that's not enough, you can take advantage of the champagne bottle that will rotate out of the center console. The styling is incredible from every single angle, with the most exaggerated and amazing design cues you can think of. Just look at the swoop of that rear end. Look at the length of that door. Again, this is a 6-meter vehicle that's only got 2 doors.